Sir, sa inflation, sir, anong sa inflation?
Mababa pa yan. Mataas yung base last year. Tsaka mukhang bababa siya less than 1% this summer. Mark my word. Pero baka sasabihin sana ipapaputol ko daliri ko when if not less than 1 yan. Pero kasi may forecast for August was 1.8. Asa na ba? Dapat dinala nyo yung forecast ko. I have a monthly forecast of inflation actually. I've retained that since 1990 when I was an analyst for Swiss Bank. I've retained that model. And very good pong model siya. Better than Russian models. Joke lang.